Pop knew how to make a Pinewood Derby car. Question is, do I? At our local community here, we have a week-long 4th of July celebration. One of the events this year is Pinewood Derby race. I had thought about making a car built for speed, and so I was doing all the calculations, determining the angles and the weights and all of that, and I thought, you know what, I just have a day or two to build this thing. I'm going to keep it simple. I'm not going to go for speed. I'm going to go for design. So in the spirit of Happy Hoss RV, I'm making an RV Pinewood Derby. This is my inspiration. I will not make it this nice. But that's AI, ChatGPT, giving me some inspiration. I'm just going to take this plain old block of wood, sand it a little bit, take some of the sharp edges off of it, and then I'll work on painting it to make it look like a motorhome, and that's what I'm entering in the Derby. So today it's late Friday, the race is on Wednesday. I don't have a lot of sanding and carving to do, but I do have a lot of paint and detail work to do. So let's get started. Let's do this. It's race day. Here's the big reveal. The air conditioners are Starburst candy that I colored in with a magic marker. Still have the wrappers on them, so when the race is over I can unpeel them and eat them. So I have a food scale here. Weight limit is 5 ounces. I don't know how accurate our scale is, but it's reading just under 5 ounces. So I'm either going to get disqualified or I'm going to sneak right in. Since it's on the heavy side, maybe it'll win. I don't think it will, but you never know. Tonight, we race. In, the race is getting ready to start. I came in at 4.6 ounces lighter than I thought. We have an adult division and a kids division. We'll see which one goes first. We're getting ready to get going here. Second place. Moving on, baby. All right, in the first heat, I took second place. There were 3 cars in the heat. All 3 moved forward, but I am pleased that I did not take last place. So we're waiting for our next heat. in round number 2. So far, so good. We're out next.
Race them!
Well, we're home decompressing after a tense night of racing. We didn't bring home a trophy, but we did bring home a ribbon, and that's good enough for me. I'm proud of how the little RV ran. We took second place in our first heat, but that's as far as we got. We didn't make it past the second heat. Well, maybe we'll try again. Maybe next year, actually try to make a fast car. I don't know. But it was a good time. We had a blast. And until next year on the Pinewood Derby, cheers.